Welcome to today's training. My name is Olorun Babatunde. I'll be showing you how to create an online course using Zoom. This is a guide for teachers, thought leaders, training institutes, and individuals interested in sharing knowledge. Our presentation outline will talk about objective, will introduce you to training, show you how to download Zoom, step-by-step guide, and how to distribute your content. The objective of this training is to show you how to record your course, and also to demonstrate how to share your screen while you record your presentation and how you can share your screen with a live audience. Zoom is a software for teleconferencing. It's been used for distance education and for social relations. You can talk to your friends, talk to your family. Key features of Zoom include screen sharing and recording. Now you need to note the following. You need to have a good internet connection to record your presentation for Zoom. You also need to have your presentation ready. How to record a Zoom presentation? First, you need to download Zoom to your PC. You can see the address on your screen. You can visit the address on your screen to download Zoom. You should also download Zoom on your mobile on Google Playstore or the Apple Store. Now, I believe now that you have installed Zoom on your PC, now to record your presentation, you need to launch Zoom on your PC. Now you're going to see a screen that is similar to this. So to start recording your presentation, you need to click on New Meeting, or you click on the Meeting menu on the top bar and click Start. Now, what you're doing is, it's as if you're holding a meeting, but you're the only one attending the meeting. So you either click on the meeting icon on your dashboard, or you go to Meetings menu and click on Start. You'll be asked to set up your audio. So you could either record with the PC audio, or you use your mobile phone audio. You're also encouraged to test your PC audio device, test the sound, test your microphone. If you want to record your voice via your mobile audio device, you need to launch Zoom on your mobile. Then from your meeting ID drop-down, you choose your personal Zoom ID. Then you click on Call via audio device. Now, you want to share your screen and start recording your presentation. Before sharing your screen, it's important that you have put your presentation in the slideshow mode and make sure it starts from the beginning. So you click on Share Screen. You click on Share Screen and select. It will display the opened windows when you click on Share Screen. So you select the presentation you want to share and you click on Share. Now to start recording, you will see a floating bar displaying your personal Zoom ID. Now you need to hover your mouse pointer on the floating bar. The floating bar could be at the top of your PC or at the bottom of your PC. Now you hover on it, it will show you some menu. At the far right of that menu is More. So you point on More. When you point on More, it will show a drop down with more commands. So you click on Record and you begin your recording. So you move from one slide to the other, and you guide you record your training. Now, as soon as you're done with recording, You over on the meeting ID again, it could be at the top of your screen or at the bottom of your screen. So you point to more and click stop recording from the drop-down menu. After you've done this, you click on end meeting. Now it will take some time for your recording to be put together. Give it some time, after which you locate your recording in a Zoom folder that will be created in my document location on your PC. Now, on how to distribute your presentation on course, depending on if your course is going to be paid or free, you could use a combination of this or all of them. Install Q&A app from Playstore. It's a very good platform to monetize your recorded content. You could use YouTube. You could use Teachable. You can share with your family and friends and WhatsApp groups that you belong to. You can use Facebook. You can distribute your content on your website or blog. By the way, this training is brought to you courtesy of Q&A app. Q&A app is an Android app for sourcing and distributing educational, career, entrepreneurship, and business resources in PDF, video, and audio formats. You can install the app from Play Store. And if you have any inquiries about Q&A app, you can talk to them on a WhatsApp via this number shown on your screen, 070-5219-3183. Q&A app is particularly useful when you want to ensure that your content is not being distributed without being authorized. If you want a copyright, if you want your content intact, if you don't want third party to steal up your content and distribute it elsewhere, if you want to have a sole right to your content, Q&A app is the best platform to distribute your content. And you can also monetize your content as well. So thank you for being part of this training. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more interesting videos and trainings like this, I'll urge you to download Q&A app right away from Play Store. Thank you for your time.